Hello, everyone. My name is Luis Ángel Hernán Guzmán. Today, I'm going to give you a short speech about business intelligence. First off, we need to begin. In practice, implementing modern business intelligence involves having a comprehensive and integrated view of all data within an organization. It is not only about collecting information, but also about using the information strategically to drive change, eliminate inefficiencies, and quickly adapt to fluctuations in the market or variations in customer demand. For managers and decision makers, the use of these tools makes the decision-making process more efficient and accurate. Having everything consolidated in a single system allows us to visualize patterns, establish connections between different types of available data, and gain a broader understanding of business performance. Now, with the business intelligence systems, it becomes possible to compare current results with historical records, conduct statistical analysis, generate customized reports, and identify areas for improvement. These systems are specifically designed to support tasks such as analyzing customer behavior, spotting emerging market trends, and evaluating overall business performance by relying on processed and structured information rather than raw, unorganized data. The work becomes much simpler, more efficient, and more reliable. Now, let me tell you two quotes I really like that talk about business intelligence. By Fulcher Josh, business intelligence helps business decision makers to obtain the necessary information to make informed decisions. And from Mike, the objective is not to prepare all data for all users, but to incrementally build up a set of ready-made datasets that people can pick up and reuse. Now, in today's competitive business environment, business intelligence has become a fundamental tool for organizations seeking to remain agile and efficient. BI is not only about gathering large volumes of data, but also about transforming that information into strategic knowledge that supports better decision making. Through a modern system of information, companies can consolidate data from different sources into a single platform, enabling managers to visualize patterns, detect inefficiencies, and identify new opportunities for growth. This integration of business intelligence with information systems plays a critical role in improving organizational performance, as it allows firms to conduct detailed analysis, compare current outcomes with historical records, and anticipate change in customer demand and market conditions. By relying on structured and accurate data rather than isolated information, businesses strengthen their ability to adapt, innovate, and achieve long-term sustainability. Ultimately, the connection between business intelligence and information systems demonstrates how technology can enhance the decision-making process and generate added value at all areas of company. Now, business intelligence cannot be fully understood without recognizing the crucial role of management information system and decision support system. These, derived from the organization's daily operation, are ensuring that decision-making is grounded in relevant and timely data by consolidating transactional and analytical information. MIS allows companies to monitor efficiency metrics such as system availability, transactional speed, as well as effectiveness indicators like customer satisfaction and conversion rates. Meanwhile, DSS extends the capability by modeling data and creating simulations that help managers assess risk and analyze scenarios and evaluate potential course of action. These systems are particularly relevant in situations where decisions are semi-structured or unstructured, since they enable organizations to visualize trends, compare alternatives, and anticipate outcomes before committing resources. Decision-making is strengthened by aligning critical success factors such as improving quality, reducing costs, retaining talent, with quantified key performance indicators. These measure actual performance against strategic goals. All these concepts are very important and needed in business intelligence. It is crucial we understand them because it can be used for our benefit, whether in our current job or in our company. Building upon the role of business intelligence and decision support system, it is essential to understand how the evolution of the web and digital technologies have gone. The digital landscape in which organizations operate, the transition from Web 1.0 to Web 2.0 marked a fundamental change in the way businesses communicate, interact, and create value online. Web 1.0, now as the first stage of the internet, focused primarily on static information and one-way communication, where users were passive consumers of content. This era introduced the four fundamental e-business models, which is business to consumer, consumer to business, and consumer to consumer, that allow organizations to expand their global reach, reduce operational costs through disintermediation, and improve effectiveness through digital marketing tools such as collection analytics and marketing. However, as technology advances, digital technologies have rise to Web 2.0 or Business 2.0, which transform the internet into a collaborative and interactive platform characterized by user participation, sharing, and openness. Web 2.0 tools such as blogs, wikis, social media, and crowdsourcing enable organizations to enhance internal and external managed collaborative intelligence. Now, the supply chain system. In addition to this, of the evolution of the digital environment, modern current organization must also strengthen internal communication and then collaboration, as these elements directly influence the efficiency of their supply chain. Effective and communicates allow them activities. Sorry, that was a mistake. The supply chain operates as an interconnected system that manages the flow of materials, information, and final resources from suppliers to final consumers, making collaboration essential to prevent delays, reduce cost, and improve service quality. Technologies such as automation, cloud computing, and real-time tracking systems have transformed supply chain management by increasing visually optimizing routes and reducing human error. Likewise, digital tools reinvent the supply chain by enabling predictive analytics, demanding forecasts, and data-driven decision-making, which significantly enhance systems such as customer relationship management are also support organizational success by help companies track customer preferences, improve service professionalism, and strengthen loyalty through better communication. CR benefits include increased sales effectiveness, more accurate customer segmentation, and enhanced post-purchase. Additionally, enterprise resource planning systems integrate all business processes, such as finance, operation, and human resources, into a unified platform. Well, all these technologies advancement highlight how essential they are for us in the actual day. As an organization facing increasingly complex markets, tools such as MSI, DSS, customer relation management, and the ERP provide the structure needed to operate efficiently, respond quickly, and make informed decisions grounded in data rather than intuition. Moreover, the evolution from Web 1 to Web 3.0 has expanded possibilities for collaboration, communication, and innovation, allowing companies to adapt their strategies and remain competitive in a digital-first world. Ultimately, understanding and effectively applying this system is not just an academic exercise, it's a critical skill for improving productivity, optimizing resources, and driving long-term success. Their importance lies in empowering individuals and organizations alike to navigate change intelligently and build resilient, peer-ready operations by embracing tools business strengthens their capacity for continuous improvement, enhance coordination across departments, and foster a culture of innovations that supports sustainable growth in an ever-growing global environment. And that's all for my part. Thank you all for watching.